The install of this is actually really simple, and I think the more important part of this is going to be showing the different sizes on my car as I go through. And I'm not going to, go walk through the install of every single one of these sizes. I'm going to show you how to do it once on both front and rear, because it's going to be the exact same process. Now, the actual install of the hub itself really is exactly that simple, and I'm just lining it up with the bolt holes, right? Now, in my case, I want to bring my wheels out a little bit to make the front and rears kind of flush with the edge of the wheel well, kind of fill that space a little bit. I'm on OEM wheels and OEM suspension. Both those things will radically change on what you need to do here. If you have a square wheel setup, that means your wheels are the same size as in like 18, 19, 20, but they're also the same width all the way around. In my M2, I have a staggered setup. I have 19-inch OEM wheels, but the fronts are not as wide as the rears. The rears are wider. So that's going to change what size spacers I use to bring those wheels out, right? So in my case, I'm going to end up with two different size spacers, front and rear, where if you have a square setup, you might have the same size spacers all the way around, depending on what your goals are, right? So the install itself really is that simple. Now all we need to do is fit the wheel back on and put the provided bolts, which is really important because as I go through these different sizes, each size has a provided bolt. All right, so go ahead and just buck your wheel back up into place. And like I said, it's really a lot nicer to do this when your wheels are clean. Just line it up and get one of your bolts in. And then I'm just gonna use my impact wrench to snug these down for now. I'm not torquing these down. So I'm not gonna torque these down, obviously, right now, because I'm gonna be taking them on and off quite a bit. But what I do want is I want them tight enough that they're not going to sag or have any problem with me as I put these on. So go ahead and always use a star pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.